Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody had a great 4th of July weekend. And today's video, I wanted to do some destashing. If you guys have been following me for the past few weeks or so, you guys know that I'm doing a complete craft room like makeover type of thing, organization, and in pulling out all my supplies, I pulled out a lot of things that I no longer use or have an overabundance of. So I will have a total of 7 lots in this video. All the information will be down in the description box below. So if you are wondering about any availability, I update that on a regular basis. So please check down there. If you're interested in any of these lots, they are US only, PayPal only, through friends and family, and please go ahead and email me. I will disable the comments on this video, so the only way you can get a hold of me to purchase the DESTASH lot will be through my email. It will be first come, first served. I unfortunately cannot hold anything. These boxes have already been taking up a lot of space in my home, and I would like them to go to somebody that could actually use them. So first I have two 12 by 12 paper lots. It's a little mixture. The main part is the 12 by 12 paper pads, and please also note that all of my destashes in this video will be shipped priority. It's either going to be medium flat rate or the large flat rate. And you guys know that just the medium flat rate is around $15 and the large is almost $20. So please keep that in mind. All my prices will include the shipping. So let's get started. Okay, my first lot will be a 12 by 12 paper pad lot A. This will be $40 shipped. Let me go ahead and show you the paper pads first. So you will get this unicorns and rainbows. I have used some. There's still quite a bit of paper left. It's super cute. All my scraps are up here and they will be clipped to the inside of the paper pad. So you will get this. You will also get Enchanted, and I've used this one as well, but very sparingly. So all my scraps are inside. And the smaller scraps, I have a self-seal bag in the back where they're tucked in. You also will get this XOXO by the Paper Studio. This is a bit thinner, but you can always back it on some heavier cardstock. This has some grays and pinks and cream. It's super cute, it has lots of swans. Also included is this Kaisercraft All That Glitters paper pack. So there's 12 sheets in here. There's 6 patterns and they're all double-sided. Here are the patterns. I believe I might have used this one. Here is the sticker sheet. I haven't used a single one of these. It's a great color combination. So that is included. I'm also throwing in this, it's a little bit heavier weight than just cardstock. It's for Valentine's Day. You can see I did use some elements, but there is a ton of stickers here left. Great for Valentine's Day. You will also get 2 sheets of this silver embossed 12 by 12 paper sheets. There's also these 3 8.5 by 11 pattern papers. This one has some gold foiling with these anchors. with the pink background, super pretty. You'll also get this 12 by 12 sheet of all these cut aparts. There's some gold foiling. It's really pretty, and I apologize for that glare. So you can pause the screen if you want to take a look at what they say. And then there's some loose 12 by 12s. So you'll get this floral, this like wood grain, it's in pink. This that says like best friends, sweet dreams, cousins, girl power, super cute. This with all the hearts. This one that looks like a cloudy sky. This one with the bikes and a moped, is that what it's called? This one. This one's more like winter and Christmas. It's called Let It Snow by Echo Park. It is double-sided. This Authentique, double-sided. This is pink gingham on the back. You will also get some pattern papers from the Cartabella Farmhouse collection, and if you guys know, these are really nice quality papers. So you will get one of these with the barns and the flowers. Here's the back. These are all double-sided. You will get two of these cut aparts. So there's some tags, there's some journaling. This plaid on the back. So you will get two of those. And then this one. And then this kind of like book pages on the back. Oh, there's two of those. Lastly included in this lot are these two 12 by 12 stencils by DCWV. I don't believe I used this, and I think I just cut them apart so I can use them individually. Sorry for that glare. And then this one I did use, but if you guys know me, I take care of my supplies. But these really pretty like flourishes, and there's 3 different ones, and they're very large. Here is the second 12 by 12 paper pad lot. This is lot B. Again, $40 shipped in a medium priority. You will also get 2 12 by 12 stencils. This one is the alphabet. This has never been used. I thought the font was really cute. You'll also get this Teresa Collins. I think, are these fleur-de-lis? I think so, but I've never used this one either. So for the paper pads, you will get this one called Serenity by Craftsmith. I think I used a couple sheets in here. It's a really nice weight of cardstock. And there's my one scrap. You will also get the Pink Passport by the Paper Studio. I did use quite a few in this, but there's still a lot of paper left. It's that whole Parisian theme with the girls. Super, super cute. There's some cut aparts. And then you will get the Valentine's Day by Recollections. I did use this one as well, but as you can see, there is a ton of paper. This has some really pretty red foiling in it. Some border strips you can cut apart. And then here are my scraps, and they will be paper clipped to the top. You will again get these 3 8.5 by 11 sheets, and this specialty, they look like, kind of like bubbles. It's pink and it's shimmery. It's textured. It's like a different type of paper. but it's really cute. You will also get this My Happy Place by Webster's Pages, this collection pack. Here are the designs. I might have used a sheet, but I don't think so. And here is the sticker sheet, all intact. You will also get this specialty 12 by 12 sheet with all these flourishes. It's a silver, like, glitter background. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like the pressed glitter, so it doesn't come off. And here are some loose sheets you will get. So this one with the pink background and all the unicorns. This floral one. This one with the unicorns. And it's holographic. Again, here are some of the loose sheets from the Farmhouse Market by Cartabella. So you will get 2 of these cut apart sheets. You can cut them into strips. And here is the back with all the florals. So you will get 2 of those. Get this cut apart. And there's the back. Get this one with all the barns and the flowers. And then you will get this one. Okay, for the next 5 lots, they are actually going to be mystery lots or grab boxes. I just have this on screen so you guys can look at something pretty while I talk. But basically, like I said, I cleaned out my craft room. There was just little bits and pieces of certain things, and if you guys have ever gotten those types of DESTASHes from me before, you guys know I do take the time and care to package each type of item individually. I try to contain the mess. Like, I don't just throw items inside a box and then call it a day. That's just not my style. So I have 1 medium flat rate box of products, and some of them will be new, others will be gently used. I never include anything that I wouldn't want to have. If that's the case, I just donate it or just trash it. So, like I said, I have 1 medium flat rate box, and I have 4 of the large flat rate boxes. So I'm going to actually insert a clip of me showing you. I apologize for any wobbliness. I was doing it one-handed with my phone, but I was just showing you all the boxes kind of stacked up. I did seal all of them, so I will only be kind of partially showing you what you might receive inside one of the boxes. So before I show that to you, some items that might be inside are paper doilies, sequins, favor bags, stickers, frames, wood embellishments, Tim Holtz products, washi tape, paint mediums, cards and envelopes, chipboard, decorative elements, laces, trims and ribbon, baker's twine, paper crafting tools, paper clips, chipboard tags, die cuts, planner items, paper punches, project life cards, alterable items, prima, metal filigrees, mix of cabochons, ribbon roses, sequin bows, jewelry pendants, charms, large stencils, loose 6x6 paper, Valentine's Day, stamps, Halloween, glitter, fabric, and some little containers. So that is just kind of a rough overview of what might be inside the box. They are filled to the brim. I will go ahead and insert that clip so you guys can take a look. The medium flat rate mystery box will be $45 shipped, and the large flat rate will be $55 shipped. So there is double the amount that it costs of products inside each one of these boxes. And also remember, the medium flat rate is about $15 to ship, and the large is almost $20. So I will insert that clip. Go ahead and take a look. If you're interested, please email me. And hopefully these items can go to a new loving home. So thank you guys so much for taking a look at what I have to destash, and I will see you guys real soon in another video. Bye guys.